Hey everyone, Carissa here, and in this video I'll show you how to set up the IDX on your eEdge website. IDX stands for Internet Data Exchange, and it allows consumers to search for a home on your website exactly like you would search in the MLS. And after all, that's really what consumers want, and if they can't look for homes on your website, they'll go to someone else's to find what they want. Now, your MLS ID needs to be in the KW white pages in order to activate any IDX feeds. So, find your Trend ID, your Middlesex ID, and any other ID to any other MLS you belong to. Email it to me at agentservices@kwprinceton.com, and I'll make sure that they get into your white pages profile. Now, our office has a blanket agreement with Trend, which means that all of our agents are covered under one agreement, so once you activate the IDX for Trend, you don't need to fill out any additional paperwork. For any of the other MLSs, you actually do need additional paperwork for, and that will be provided to you. And if you're a member of Middlesex MLS and you wish to display listings from them on your website, please know that they will charge you for this. There's an initial $60 setup fee and a yearly fee of $100. And these charges are per IDX feed, so if you already have one on another website, you will need to pay for another one. And once your MLS IDs are entered into the white pages, you're ready to activate the IDX feeds for your eEdge website. Once you are signed on to MyKW, click on Show Options under the My Marketing icon, and then click on Manage eEdge Website. Once you get to the dashboard, click on MLS Administration at the bottom of the left menu. Then click on the red Start MLS Application button. From the drop-down menu, select the MLS you wish to request an IDX feed from. I highly suggest starting with Trend because you do not need to fill out any paperwork. And then click Save. This will bring you back to the MLS administration page. Next to the IDX feed you just requested, you will find the status of your request. If it says Agent Review Instructions next to Trend, send an email to Market Leader. Remember, this email only goes to Market Leader if you are attempting to set up your Trend IDX feed. This is what you're going to include in your email. And please remember that you need to put your name where it says your name here, and where there are blank spots next to the member ID for Trend, you need to input your Trend member ID. If your status says Agent Review Instructions for any other MLS, click on the link that says Instructions. This page contains information regarding the IDX feed for that specific MLS. Download any of the MLS forms that the instructions might have, fill them out, and return them to Market Leader. You can find contact information at the bottom of the MLS administration page. You will notice that the IDX status might change throughout the approval process. These are the different statuses you might see and what they mean. And once your IDX has been approved, you should receive an email from Market Leader advising of such. When you log back onto MyKW and go into the MLS administration page, you will see the status next to the MLS change to approved. If you want all of the office listings to appear under the featured listings on your website, click on the little edit button under Actions. Enter the office MLS ID, which is KELLERRE, and then click Save. Then click on Profile Info from the left menu, scroll to the bottom, and click on Edit. Scroll back up and click on Add Agent MLS ID. Choose the MLS from the drop-down menu. If you only see KWLS from the list, that means that your IDX has not yet been approved. Input your ID for that specific MLS and click on Save. If you have multiple MLS IDX feeds, you will want to repeat these steps to add your MLS ID for each MLS you have an IDX feed for. When you are finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save there as well. consumers can now search through properties that are listed in the MLS that you have IDX feeds for.